Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to excel with numbers. First, let's cover the basics of number formatting. You can easily apply standard formats like currency, percentage, or date to your cells. Simply select your data, then choose the desired format from the Home tab. You can also quickly increase or decrease decimal places, ensuring your numbers are presented clearly and consistently for better readability. Next, let's explore the power of custom number formats. These allow you to define exactly how your numbers appear, even adding text or symbols. For example, you can display units after a quantity or show negative numbers in red. This feature provides incredible flexibility, letting you tailor your data presentation to specific needs while keeping the underlying numerical value intact for calculations. Now, let's dive into essential number functions and formulas. Excel offers a vast array of functions, such as SUM, average, and count, to quickly analyze your data. You can also build complex formulas to perform intricate calculations, from financial modeling to statistical analysis. Additionally, conditional formatting allows you to highlight cells based on their numerical values, making trends and outliers immediately visible. Finally, here are some best practices for working with numbers in Excel. Always strive for data consistency to ensure your calculations are accurate and reliable. Using named ranges can make your formulas much easier to read and understand. Remember to protect sensitive numerical data by locking cells or sheets, preventing accidental changes. These tips will help you manage your numerical data more effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.